Hello there, in this video I'm going to introduce you a very nice open source tool that is named the SharePoint Site Designer Beta. This is the tool actually, and here you have the URL you need to type in your browser to access the tool. As you can see, basically the SharePoint Site Designer tool is just a tool that helps you on building site scripts for customizing your modern SharePoint Online sites. So you don't need to deal with JSON uh, with JSON syntax and so on. The tool is going to do everything for you. First thing before starting with the tool is just to say a big thank you to the author of this tool, that is Mikko Panumeki. Thank you very much for your tool and also for supporting the community, because this tool is awesome, and yeah, I think you will continue evolving the tool and adding more features and so on. So as you can see here, we have already predefined JSON for a site script, but of course we can clean all the stuff and we can start defining our own site script. So for instance, let's start by specifying the hub site ID. If we are dealing with a site script that is going to extend a hub site and so on. But for now, what we are going to do is just to, for instance, configure the get access for a site. So for instance, let's choose existing external user sharing, and as soon as you choose an action here, as you can see, this is going to be converted to the specific JSON required for configure the existing external user sharing option for modern SharePoint Online site. So we have the different actions, and also we have, since we have selected the locale 1033, we also have this action here. So we are setting the regional setting for the site to be, I think it's English. And we also have, because of what we were inheriting from the configuration, we also have the action to add some users to a specific group on a site, and we also have, as you can see here, the option to create a custom list in our site that is actually called employees, and it seems we also have some fields. We have the full name, it's test file, it's test file type. This is the internal name. We call, for instance, force to be unique. So we are extending, as you can see on the fly, we are updating the JSON file. We can also change the is required attribute. We can also start adding content types. We could also add a column formatter. We can also add a view and so on. So in a nutshell, what you're having here is a very straightforward way of creating your site scripts for modern SharePoint Online site, either modern SharePoint Online site connected to a group or not connected to a group, or a communication site. And that's all I mean. So, okay, we just as an example, for instance, if we change the locale to Spanish, for instance, let's try to find it. Here we go, Spanish, Spain, that's the traditional. It's reflected here with this locale. We also add the time zone we're interested in having. That is going to be, yeah, we are going to put European Central Time. As you can see here, for instance, there is some room of improvement because I'm missing some time zones, but it's, as I say, it's very good. And we can even add more users, such as, for instance, I'm going to add myself. Just an example, and to which group to the owners. So it's very nice. We can even add more lists. For instance, let's add another list that we are going to call companies or contacts. This is the list name. This is the list title. Uh, Here we go. You can choose a template type. In this case, I'm fine with the generic links, but even we can go ahead and use a real contact list template, the contacts, and then we can even add more fields, as in the same way we have with the employees list. I'm not going to do that because, yeah, the important thing here is that everything is translated in the JSON unit to create the site script. So you have the bear, and then the specific activity you're going to do in the settings grid, that in this case is create a SharePoint list, and then the attributes for this SharePoint list. And that's all. I hope you have found this tool interesting, in as I have found very useful. Yeah, that's all for now. Um I expect to, as always, do more videos about Office 365, SharePoint, and other topic I love. So talk to you soon. Bye bye.